In this video, we'll try to explain how to install Ultimate Addons for Contact Form 7 and its add-ons. So first of all, you have to go to Plugins and click Add New, and then look for Contact Form 7. You click Install Now. Now, if you scroll down, you should also see Activate Addons for Contact Form 7. You click Install Now. So once installed, you can activate. So after you activate, Ultimate Addons should take you to this setup wizard. Here you can see the list of all our add-ons, including the free and pro version. Because we are explaining only the free version, we will be skipping the pro version, but the process is almost the same. Let's say you want to install this add-on. You click this warning for to deactivate this add-on. You just deactivate. If you want to install digital signature, you click here. Place a list ID, and you click here. And if you don't want any of that on, you'll just deactivate that add-on. Now, if you click next, you'll see this form generator, where you will find a lot of built-in templates. If you want to use in templates, you can. So how this one works, you can check out another video. It should be on top of this video now. I'm skipping this part. You want to go to settings. Now, if you go back to all add-ons, you should see the add-on you activated. So here you can also activate the add-ons you need or deactivate the add-ons you don't need. So let me repeat the process again. You go to WordPress dashboard, click Ultimate Addons menu. Here you can see all the add-ons. You just activate or deactivate the add-ons you don't need. Thank you so much. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.